In most news productions, sports games, and TV shows, labels, logos, name tags, over-the-shoulder graphics are all necessary to keep the audience interested in the show, along with helping them understand a clear image of what is happening or what they are talking about. In a control room or mobile control room, you will commonly see the machine that creates these graphics called the Inscriber. The operator is in charge of creating any graphics needed for the production. He or she can make as many graphics as needed, as they are saved on the left side of the Inscriber called the playlist. During the production, the director or assistant director will ask for graphics to be displayed in either the Inscriber 1 or 2 monitor. From here, the switcher can then be cued to bring up the graphics onto the program. In Inscriber, the most commonly used tools are the text tool, the logo tool, and the rectangle tool. With the text tool selected, the operator then clicks anywhere on the workspace and can start typing. Once they are happy with what they've typed, they can then change the desired location or text font and size by clicking on the text box. The logo tool is used to bring in material from the media library. With this tool selected, the operator chooses how big he or she would like the graphic to be, and then they double-click the desired media from the media library, and it will then fill the logo box that they've created. In your library tree is where you can see all the different layers you have created. While working, the operator can hide their different layers simply by clicking the eye. Clicking the eye a second time will bring back all those hidden layers. To bring in any desired images that the operator might want, simply click the plus button at the bottom of the libraries panel. From here, you can navigate your computer for the image you are looking for, where it will be then placed into your media tab. Under your playlist tab is where you will see all your created graphics. Under each graphic, you will see a drop-down menu. By using this menu, you can choose which Inscriber channel you would like the graphic to appear on. Once selected, double-click the graphic to save it to that channel. Next, we'll teach you how to make a basic lower third. First, select the rectangle tool. Then click and drag to the desired size for your lower third. Once you're happy with the size, you can then change other features such as color. Next, the operator will select the text tool and begin typing what they want on their lower third. If needed, the operator can always add additional graphics. If the user doesn't want to create their own lower third, they can always choose a default one from the drop-down menu above. Here are a few examples. Now we have the over-the-shoulder graphics. Begin by selecting the rectangle tool and creating a box over the left or right shoulder. Next, select the logo tool and make it roughly the same size with some room at the bottom to add text. Then, select your image. The final step is to select the text tool and type the title of the story. The two selected graphics will then be displayed for the director to see on the monitor wall in the control room, where he or she can then use them in the production. Now that you've learned the basics on how to create simple graphics, you too can begin using the Harris Inscriber.